Hey everybody, Jim King out here in Kansas City, Kansas. Before I go any further on this project, show you what we're doing, get on this video, press the like button on this video and subscribe to our channel. It's very important that we get subscribers. We're real close to 1,000 subscribers, so give us a thumbs up and a subscribe. Be happy to see your comment. So anyway, here we are out in Kansas City, Kansas. We're about a week into this project. We've buried the downspouts here. They were not working real good. This grade was pretty level and water was coming back towards the doors, which it's not now. We had a heavy rain last night, a couple inches. And so we're going to backfill with more rock. We've got everything covered with our Petromat. We'll cover the rock with a layer of Petromat and come in with the best dirt out of this trench, covering about 350 feet. On top of it, we'll seed mulch it, we'll call it a day. Get all this wood out of here. We'll be finished. So for all your foundation repair needs, if your wall's leaning in, we just don't do French drains. This is very seldom do we do these, but here lately we've been getting a lot of calls for this. It works. And haven't got any calls. There was a huge rain last night. This system wasn't even complete, and we would have got a call if they got rain in there. It's a daycare center, so it's very important they don't have water in their basement. We're about halfway complete with this, and it took care of the water. So for all your foundation repair needs, call King Piers. I believe we are the very best in the business. Our customer service is second to none. 816-288-4373. You can always go to our website, kingpiers.com. Check us out on Facebook. And like I mentioned before, check us out on YouTube and give us a subscribe. Thank you.